gathers stitch. Let's get started. Okay, first of all, please check my description box for all the details. This is nothing to look, but I include the written pattern. So today, it's gonna be gather stitch. It's like a flare type. You can do that as flare, skirt or whatever. Okay, it's super easy. So let's start. So I already knitted it a few rows for the garter stitch. This is as frame. Okay, so the pattern is in between markers. Any stitch count you want, actually, but I started with the even number, for just in case. So the row number 1 to row number 6 is easy. Knit on right side and purl on wrong side. That's it. Another word, stockinette stitch. Okay, so this is on right side, so I'm knitting all the way to the other side of the marker, right? And then this is, flat knitting, turn the project, then start purling. Make a purl in between two markers. There you go. So the frame part, always knit stitch. Then this is wrong side, so start making purl. That's it. So 1 to 6 stockinette stitch. Okay, and you have to do something on row number 7. There we go. I knit 6 rows. As you can see, knit stitch on right side and purl stitch on wrong side. Now you're on right side again, and the pattern says repeat of knit front and do not drop the stitch off, and then also back. Call knit front and back. That's it. Knit front and then back, which means you will increase 1 stitch on every stitch because you have to repeat. The bracket means repeat. So keep doing knit front and back. So example, if I have 24 stitches, it's gonna be 48 stitches total after I did this row. That's it. And from the row number 8 to row number 12, again, stockinette stitch. Knit on the right side and purl on wrong side. There you go. As you can see, there's many more stitch count after the row 7. Can you see? Right? But it's not wavy yet. Okay? So just keep doing stockinette stitch until row 12. And row 13. Well, I have to do something, which is repeat of knit 2 together. I increase on row number 7, right? So now I have to decrease on row number 13. So repeat of knit 2 together means you have to decrease 1 stitch every 2 stitch, right? Which means go back to where you were. Because you increase double, now you decrease double. That's it. Okay? So again, knit 2 together. If you want to do SSK, that's fine too. But probably knit 2 together is easier. So the flare is like this. You want to increase, like a double. And then whenever you finish the flare, like a wavy, you have to decrease double. Then you create you know, the wavy uh, design. But this is gathers stitch, so I want you to repeat. And I thought about it, when I was actually knitting. Maybe this is kind of cute, um, right on your not shoulder, maybe sleeves. You know, if you're knitting a kid sweater, don't you think it's kind of cute? Little gather on, the sleeves. You know what I'm saying? And maybe one repeat isn't enough. And I'll show you. Repeat row number 2 to row number 13 after the first round. Okay? As many as you want. And if you want to add a little bit on the sleeve, maybe, repeat of 3. Or maybe whole sleeve. I don't know. Look at this. Now I repeated 3 times total and looks very gathered. Don't you think it's kind of cute? Little point on your sleeves. What do you think about that? Anyway, this is super easy stitch. So enjoy and thank you for watching. Bye for now.